Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. I would like to share my experience with FreeCodeCamp Python certification exam. I finally finished the Python course, passed all the certification projects, and complete the exam. I also recorded all my progress and the results of the projects, so you can find those videos on my channel. I also published all the ready solutions on my GitHub channel, so you can find it in the description below if you're interested about it as well. First of all, I wanted to say a couple words about the course itself. Finishing the course was a good experience for me. It took time and a lot of practice, especially algorithms part. And certification projects is like a final boss for each chapter. So if you are taking it, be ready for this. And I hope my channel will be very helpful for you. The exam becomes available after you complete all the certification projects. So you can take the exam before you finish all the labs. But there is one thing you should know. Exam covers all the topics from the course, including the last sections. From my perspective, it was a lot of questions from algorithms part. So if you finish projects and feel comfortable to code, you still need to repeat all the theoretical part from this course. Yeah, it does not include any coding, it's just a test. And these questions, they are pretty much the same like those questions from theoretical part. Okay, so far we discussed the theory that you need to know, how does it look, and now let's talk about exam itself, the process. To start the exam, you need to get a token and enter exam environment. In my case, the exam environment didn't start directly in my browser, so I have to download the exam program to my computer. Maybe it is made to be like this, I'm not sure about this, but anyway, first you download the application, then you click the button generate exam token, and then you copy this token and you start the exam. Let's talk about exam rules. You have 2 hours to complete it. During the exam, you're not allowed to use any internet, AI tools, documentation, or any other outside materials. The idea is to test your knowledge and understanding of the Python concepts. I did copy some of the words from the exam because I'm not a native speaker and I had troubles to understand some of the specific terminology. Some of the websites allows the owners to see what exactly you are doing in a website, what you're copying, where is your mouse, and etc. If you worked with Google Analytics, you know what I'm talking about. So again, I copied parts of the questions, not all the questions. And after I clicked finish exam, it went to the review and I didn't get any troubles from this. What is the exam look like? As I already mentioned, the exam itself is a multiple choice test and you have 2 hours, and I actually finished it faster than full 2 hours. It has 50 questions and each question has 4 possible answers. They are very similar to the questions you see after each theoretical topic. The questions covers different areas of the Python, including things like Python syntaxes, data types, functions, loops, classes, and object-oriented programming, algorithms and data structure, models, and other concepts from the course. And you also don't immediately receive the final certification result. You have to wait until the review process is completed. I took it in the evening and in the morning I already saw the result. If you fail the exam, you can retake it in a week. It is free from charges. Just pass it and get certificate. My opinion about the exam. Overall, I think the exam is a good way to check your understanding of the Python. It is a good way to check your knowledge, theoretical part, but it's not gonna make you a good developer. It is not a coding challenge. It does not include any projects. It is more about understanding concepts and how Python works. In the end of this video, I would like to ask you a question. What would you like to see the next? I already started working on JavaScript course because some people asked me about it. Maybe you are interested about another courses from this platform. I'm also thinking to record some mini projects using Python. Just let me know from the comments below. I want to keep all my subscribers and progress with you. As I understand, you're all beginners and you open the coding environment. What's the next step? How to start coding, how to make actual applications. Just give me feedback and we will do it together. Anyway, thank you for watching and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.